Hi famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Alright, today we are cooking Ozro. Alright, Ozro. If you don't know what Ozro is, it's something to do with your macaroni generation. You know, that's lineage, macaroni, your pasta, your macaroni, and what. You find them, I think, I don't know where you find it, but around macaroni aisle or rice aisle. Anyway, we chopped our yellow pepper. Right, our yellow pepper. This is our jalapeno. Jalapeno, it's not that hectic. Even a kid can eat this, right? A kid can eat jalapeno. It's not that chili, right? After chopping them, then we take our green flakes. You know, in this house, we love green flakes. Okay? Green flakes, if you know, and you are an old sabi, you know that these are the genes that are nothing but good. I am good. All right, these are, our girls that are good, that are hardworking, that they have their own things, A man in them, it's a cherry on top, honey, but very respectful and acknowledging the masculine, right? Chop it nicely. First of all, make sure that you clean it inside. We don't want there's a red flag. That guy who just want to shine in your car, girl, refuse with your car, right? Red flag, which is our red pepper, chopped chopped cucumber, right? And then with that jalapeno, the one that I said, this one children can eat, and our lukewarm guy, he's not perfect, he's not bad, he's dateable, this girl is, she's quite okay. And then we take our red onion. This one will make you cry, child. You cry like a cat. Don't say I did not warn you. This gent will make you cry. You will cry first day, but you won't know how to get out. That's the... Hey, but korobela. You know korobela. All right, then we take our tuna. I'm not a big fan of tuna, trust me. But anyway, sorry, I have flu. Anyway, we shall cook because we are here for the people. I'm ANC. All right, then you're going to take your tuna. Try to, already it's crushed, but of course you see that it's haragane. Ke twins, very identical twins. You're gonna take your tuna, and then mola beke kwa taste. I kere ke le hodu. O tlo e tshela ka gare ga mixture wa dilo tshela tsa rena ka moka. You know what? I ke tsebe le hore ke dira mara ke phela ke le botsa kere we cook what we have in our houses. Ke no re ke bona tuna e dutse mola ka re wena. So you have been in the cupboard for many years, 40 days, 40 nights. Today thou shall be used, okay? Tuna and a little bit of aromat, okay? A little bit of aromat because tuna is just tuna and it tasteless. I know that thing. Abona mabone lona re light a di black ke tuna. So tlo tshela gape your aromat or your salt, depending. Now, I use aromat in this house. We value aromat. I told you that we are scared of salt. In this house, okay? Then some chili flakes, right? If you have kids, don't put chili flakes, child. Otherwise, you're gonna kill those species, and that's not what we want, right? And then this thing, mustard what? I don't know it, but it's mustard something. Because I don't look at these things. If I see you nicely in the shop and I feel like I like you, I take. I can never go bala. Then you put your mayonnaise or mayonnaise, depending on what you right? Then wachela ozro ya rena. Remember, you're going to boil it aside. We have already boiled it aside, and then rechela kagarga mix wa rena. Ozro. It looks like rice, but it's not rice. Don't say I did not plug you. Don't say I did not plug you. Ngeli kuta bohobel, ya bobeka spinach. O sa re ke bobeka tin fish, ke bobe tšatši le nkora batho ba sa maketse ba sa robetse fru ba di go gore mamhla re ja Ozro. Makatša malome Ozro ke wena mosadi ya buti, the one that just got married. A kere ka December o kotisa. diralang batswala o ntwe o tla bona gore they will never bother you. Ba re mosadi ya buti wa magweng o tile o tetše ntongo ba re ke Ozro kore ba betha ka yona melalai. Then we are done ka be ke throw in some, what are these, prawns, then that's it. Right, thank you for watching, famies. Until we meet again, stay blessed. I love you and thank you for supporting the channel.